only get a little portion of the 25%. Oh, no.
25% is covered by tomorrow.
But you get only a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
They're writing it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story. Alright, come on.
In headlines.
Sure, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Cool. It's not really that very much. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of those three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my favorite. What's up with this? Not because their eyes red. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's piece. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome! It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try scoring 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys.
See
ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't hear me.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness. You think? Yeah.
And
I'm not that loud.
Take somewhere long to
Oh, nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm not taking brother.
I could probably do.
Too bad, son. I was one time trying to get back.
Mike must come back with
Somehow I didn't either. Oh my goodness, that was like a weak ass throw down at the first team.
No shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton out of the New Jersey. Oh, they had almost Jersey.
Like that.
Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What's your last name? Yeah.
Well, you can take it down.
Well, I already know where 9 points is at.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Chinatown?
Down by Bulltown. I know where Bulltown
Is that what's called Georgetown? We just call it Bullfrog.
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man. Well, you got two sisters.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I actually got 40 to go.
You can go later on.
I'm not sure about how you gotta take some people along.
Everybody's like, Intercourse is gonna win.
Ladies first.